Hi, Miss Olive. How are you?
I love this girl. She's so awesome. She's so bubbly and she's so active on social media. It's phenomenal. So tell us a little bit about here today, what we're doing.
Where we're at. Why are we dressed like this?
I know.
So this is my parents' ranch, and so we're actually a ranch animal rescue foundation, and so we rescue horses and chickens and goats and all of the things, and we provide such a wonderful place for families to come here in Las Vegas. So my parents bought the ranch about 25 years ago. We have one of the most famous pumpkin patches here in town, and we are free all year long from daylight or sun up to sundown. And we just want people to come out and, enjoy their families.
And we have been coming. It's such
You guys have been coming before you knew me.
Before we knew, we came here, it was one of our, I think it was first or second month that me and Jeremy were dating. He goes, he wanted to impress me. I love animals.
And he was like, there's this weird ranch in the middle of Las Vegas.
Beautiful. I mean, what you guys are doing is beautiful, especially today. You open the door for all the small business owners. They have tables, and Jeremy's going to share videos with that. That's really fantastic. And the families get to come with their kids.
Yes.
Pet the animals. And I didn't know that. These are all rescue animals.
Yes, except for right now, because we have all the PBR and NFR horses. They come and rent stalls. But yeah, the community spirit runs deep in our family. We're born and raised in Las Vegas, and my son, he loves costumes, and he wanted this Grinch costume. And I said, well, if I buy this for you, you have to give back to the community. And so we're collecting toys and food for the community, and it's just a free event. And I know that you're going to show him taking photos and actually reading the Grinch story to the kids. So
yeah, it was such a great day. And you guys are here until when?
3 o'clock.
But how many more days?
This is a one-time annual event that we just started today. And so we wanted to see the traction. We're definitely going to make this an annual event. And so I'll let you do some catching up if we decide to extend it for the...
Fantastic. And you guys do have a website, right, for this event?
The McKee Ranch, it's more on social media. We love it on Facebook. So McKee Ranch Foundation, McKee Ranch Events. Because, you can come out here, you can host your kid's birthday party here.
Oh.
We've had, actually a bride that just got married here a couple months ago was here.
Wow.
I mean, if you want a country wedding, right, it can happen.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So we've been here for a long time. Actually, across the street, we actually own the wedding venue called The Secret Garden. So for real weddings, they do have the website. So go to thesecretgardenlv.com.
Well, thank you so much for this. As you could see, people love Erin, and you are kind of one-stop shop. You do a lot of stuff.
I do a lot of stuff, yes. So I'm your favorite redhead realtor in Las Vegas. So we buy and sell and invest homes if you're ever looking in the market. I mean, I don't want to be that cheesy real estate agent.
You could be cheesy. She's awesome. She's great. She's really active. If you're selling, we're buying.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
And you can find me on all the platforms under my name. And I always say it's Erin, not Aaron. Erin Pearson Mills.
Okay, and we're going to share all the links so you could get in contact.
And we made it snow in Vegas today, too.
I know. It sure did.
Disney snow.
Such a beautiful day. It snowed too, but it was a beautiful day. Thank you
for
so much.
interviewing me.
Sure, thank you.